for Paraguay since we first came to the United Nations. It was the mission of Paraguay that hosted us, welcomed us, and made us feel at home.
Estamos muy agradecidos por que ustedes están aquí. Desde un principio que empezó la Asamblea Internacional de Jóvenes Líderes, la misión de Paraguay nos apoyó, nos brindó un lugar acá en Naciones Unidas y estamos muy contentos en que estén con nosotros aquí.
Our very first IYLA in 2000, the second one, in 2013, in Washington, D.C., we hosted at the Kennedy Center the Landfill Harmonic Orchestra.
En nuestro primera IYLA, que es la Asamblea Internacional de Jóvenes Líderes en Washington, tuvimos el placer también de recibirles a la orquesta de Cateura en el Kennedy Center en Washington, D.C.
And we all cried, everybody cried. And we had dinner together at Bertucci's, same Bertucci's.
Y cenamos todos juntos en Bertucci's.
And nobody in the Landfill Harmonic Orchestra spoke English. No one, only 2 or 3 people could speak Spanish, but everybody was family. We all could connect.
Y ninguno de los miembros de la orquesta de Cateura hablaba inglés y gran parte de nuestros delegados no hablaban español, pero todos nos entendíamos igual y podíamos compartir.
Music is a universal language.
La música es un idioma universal.
It's the language of love.
Es el idioma del amor.
And Paraguay is the corazón de Sudamérica.
Y Paraguay es el corazón de Sudamérica.
So we're so grateful, and it's remarkable that this worked out. This is a very, we've had many challenges during this IYLA. This is the opposite. It's a gift that came out of nowhere.
Tuvimos muchos desafíos en esta asamblea, pero esto al contrario es un regalo y a nosotros nos encanta recibirle. Estamos muy contentos que esta oportunidad se haya podido dar.
So we have a very expensive gift for you. Really sorry, it's only this, but it's
Tenemos un regalo muy caro. No, es un
IYLA
pequeño detalle. Es un pin de
This will get you
IYLA.
into the UN, any UN building anywhere, or
Con
Congress,
con esto
or
van a poder entrar a cualquier edificio de Naciones Unidas, al Congreso de cualquier país.
it's small but powerful.
Es pequeño pero muy poderoso.
No, usted está ahí. Lo pongo acá.
Thank you very much. Thank you. You guys are great.
Yo también.
Thank you, gracias. We did.
Thank you for this is such a great gift.
Magalí, ¿me puedes presentar al señor?
Somos muy
¿Me puedes
agradecidos.
presentar al señor como director cultural de la Cámara de Diputados? Licenciado Castro.
Licenciado.
Enrique Castro. Director cultural de la Cámara de Diputados.
We have here the director of the House of Representatives of Paraguay.
Oh, wow.
Who's in charge of the director of culture, who's here
Oh,
with us.
fantastic.
John Dixon, the
Fantastic.
chairman
Gracias. El señor también es de la Cámara de Diputados.
Del canal, decía que mi grupo era el canal.
And she's the presidenta de la Asociación de Músicos She's the
De la
president
Juventud Paraguaya.
of the Association of Paraguay's young Paraguayan musicians here.
Oh, great!
So
Wow.
she just wanted to be
The leader.
Can you announce loudly?
Yeah, explain to everybody. Explain to everybody. Who
She is.
quién es? Hable, por favor.
So here we have with us not only the musicians who are great musicians, we also have the president of the Paraguayan Association of Musicians in Paraguay. We also have the director of culture of the House of Representatives of Paraguay, who came here from Congress to be here with us. So for me, as an IYLA organizer and as a very proud Paraguayan, it's a real honor to have you here. And I really do hope that you enjoyed this very small but powerful token of what Paraguay is and the love that we have for the world. So I really do hope that you enjoyed it.
If anybody, I know we're tired of group pictures, but if anybody wants to get in a picture,
Yes.
we're going to make a
Yes.
We're going to take a